Hello guys, welcome to this video and I am happy to see you again guys. So in today's video I'm going to show you 3 proven apps that pay you PayPal cash. So guys, I am going to give you all the details right on this video. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing and it's totally worldwide guys. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you some more information about that. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you some more information about that. So guys, let's jump onto this video. So guys, the first website we're gonna look at today is called surveyonthego.com. So you can visit by surveysonthego.com. So guys, as you can see, this app is available for both iOS and Android devices. So you can download from here guys. So here's a video also. So I'm go and just play this video guys.
Want to make some cash? Want your opinion heard? We'll pay you for your opinions on all kinds of topics. Download the free Surveys on the Go app for your iPhone or Android. Answer a few quick questions to let us know more about you, and that's it. You're ready to make some money. Just take some surveys and get paid. It's easy.
So guys, Surveys on the Go is unlike other survey application in the market that actually paying cash, not points. So with this app, you are going to get paid when you complete surveys with this application. So as you complete surveys, you unlock more surveys. So how much guys you can make from this? So some surveys are paid around $50 and you should be able to make around $3 a day with this app guys, which is fine. And the Surveys on the Go guys paid money via Amazon gift cards, Visa payouts and Starbucks vouchers. So if you are in the world of surveys guys, this is a great application. You should definitely look into this guys. So I leave a link below in the description of this video guys. So you can find out all the details here guys. Go ahead and check it out. So looking over at the Apple Play Store guys, it's a pretty good rating. They have over 4.6 stars out of 5 and it's a lot of a positive review over here guys. So a lot of people are making money with this, and if you check out on the Google Play Store, the app is pretty awesome guys. It's been around 4.5 star out of 5 and it over 59,491 times reviews. So it's a great app guys. Go ahead and check it out. So guys, let's talk about our next app. So the next app is Math Cash. So the Math Cash is guys very different type of app. You can do the maths and earn the points. So it's really neat, right? Definitely something with a bright future guys. It had also a survey section which is available when you go to collect more points. So the point system guys on this applications work that 1000 points equal to $1, and guys the minimum cash out to withdraw your money is $5 and they pay out guys via PayPal. So looking over to a Play Store, they have pretty much good rating, 4.5 star out of 5 guys, and a lot of people just commented on a positive review here. So guys, go ahead and check it out. I leave a link below in the description of this video. It's called Math Cash. You can go from there guys. So guys, let's talk about our last website. So the last website is blast.com, and basically this application has opportunity to earn cash and experience points by playing the games. So there are 2 triggers to make money with this application guys. For every minute you playing the game, you are getting around 1 cent, and it also has an emission in a section of the app that refers you for installing and playing games. So for example, it can be a playing games for a 5 minutes to earn a $1, and that's like complete mission. Or it could be achieve a level 5 in a game in order to earn $2. So there are also be going a weekly leaderboard where you guys can complete for $1,000 in prizes. So guys, it based on a experience point. So the player with the most experience point is the winner of the week and gets guys $1,000. And the second place is $500 and the third place is $250 you can earn guys. So the minimum cash out is $2.50 guys, and what you can expect to make from this application in a month if you really play a lot of games online is maybe you can earn up to $50 a month guys. So here you can see win big, and every week guys, the more you play the higher you rank and the bigger you win guys. So guys, go ahead and check it out. You can find out all the details here. Go ahead and download the app. It's called blast.com, and I leave a link below in the description of this video guys, so you can go from there. So guys, these are the basically 3 websites that we are going to talk about today. If you are interested on this, make sure to download the application and start earning. But guys, at last you're still taking time for money. So what if I tell you there is an easy way you can start? So if you want to make $100 a day online, and this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you some more information about that. Guys, the people who gone through this system are now generating their first sale online. So it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I'll be sharing with you some more information about that. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you find out any value guys out of this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I'll try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do, because right now I am uploading daily videos that provide you tremendous amount of value. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching my video. Have an awesome day.